Black Spantan be Black by Spantan my mighty. See, I wanna be that motherfucking black sheep. That black sheep, everybody fucking rejected. I wanna fucking be that motherfucking prodigal son that fucking left his father's side without no condition. Yes, that's who I am. The fucking criticize me, feel like Amy or no, I don't fucking care. All I gotta say is that I'm gonna fucking doing what I fucking love doing best. Ain't no fucking stopping. Ain't no fucking stopping in this motherfucking game. I started this. I got to fucking finish this motherfucking game. Nobody